Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Botany by Dr. Jaswinder Kaur. In this video, I will discuss 6th part of series 450 most important plant taxonomy MCQs. In this series, I have included each and every question that was asked in different competitive exams like TGT, PGT, lecture, assistant professor, all state PCS, MSc entrance exams, etc. If you are new to this channel, then please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest notification about the videos uploaded. Without wasting time, let's start. Which one of the following statements are correct? First statement is rule of priority in plants nomenclature commenced from 1853. This is incorrect. Binomial nomenclature was introduced by Linnaeus in 1753. This is a correct statement. The orchid fruits contains 5 distinct seeds. This is also incorrect because in orchids there are numerous and minute seeds. Gynobasic style is found in Lamiaceae. This is also correct statement. So among these only statement second and fourth are correct. So correct answer is option B, 2 and 4. Placement of gymnosperms between dicotyledons and monocotyledons is one of the drawbacks in the system of classification. Bentham and Hooker, they placed gymnosperms between the dicotyledons and the monocotyledons. Operational taxonomic units are used in. These operational taxonomic units are also called as OTUs, and these are used in numerical methods of analysis. OTUs are the basic unit of numerical plant taxonomy. The family Loranthaceae is characterized by, it is characterized by the composite endosperm. This composite endosperm is present in family Loranthaceae. Composite endosperm is that is derived from several ovules, and other characteristics of family Loranthaceae includes that the endosperm is copious and the first cleavage of zygote is vertical. In one of the following, the stem is modified into tendrils. Among these, in Passiflora, the stem is modified into tendrils. Which one of the following inflorescence is found in the sunflower? Sunflower belongs to family Astraceae, and in family Astraceae, capitulum type of inflorescence is present. The system of classification proposed by these scientists is also known as Neo-Adansonian system. The system given by Sokal and Smith. It is called as Neo-Adansonian principle. Sokal and Smith in 1963 gave the classification on the basis of numerical taxonomy. It is also known as Neo-Adansonian system. The tribe refers to a taxonomic group recognized between the ranks. Tribe comes between the ranks of family and genus. First family comes, then tribe, and then genus. Which one of the following contains phytochromes? Phytochromes are present in all the angiosperms. Thigmotropism is best exhibited by. Thigmotropism is the turning or bending of plant or other organism in response to touch stimulus, and this is best exhibited by the tendrils of plants. Green manure plants used by farmers mainly belongs to. The green manure plants belongs to family Leguminosae or the family Fabaceae. The stamens in Solanaceae are. In Solanaceae, the stamens are epipetalous type. That means the stamens are attached to the petals. The inflorescence in family Gramineae is. Inflorescence of family Gramineae is the spike of spikelet. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list 1. Stylopodium, this is present in family Apiaceae. Palmae is other name of family Ericaceae. Gynobasic style, this is present in family Lamiaceae. Then Phylloclade, it is a modification of leaf rachis. So among these, option C is correct. Which one is a true nut. A true nut is a fruit composed of a hard shell and an edible seed, and the shell does not open to release the seeds. This type of nut or the true nut is present in walnut. Others, the cashew nut, groundnut, and coconut. These are not the true nuts, these are the false nuts. Father of taxonomy is Linnaeus, that is Carolus Linnaeus, which is not a category in plant taxonomy. Among these, ecotype is not a category among plant taxonomy. Linnaeus published his concept of binomial nomenclature first in Species Plantarum in 1753. Borderline cases between species and subspecies are called. These borderline cases between species and subspecies are called the semi-species. Match list 1 genera with list 2nd family and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. In list 1, names of genera are given, and in list 2nd, their respective families are given. We have to match. Dianthus, it belongs to family Caryophyllaceae. Cucurbits, it belongs to family Cucurbitaceae. Clematis, it belongs to family Ranunculaceae. Vegna, it belongs to family Fabaceae. So the correct option among these is A. Gynoecium represents the whorl of carpels. The frond is a large and divided leaf like the leaf of ferns. So frond is a leaf. Wheat grain is a fruit. Colchicine, which is a mitotic poison, can be obtained from. It can be obtained from Colchicum autumnale. Earlier, it belongs to family Liliaceae. Now, it is considered in its own family Colchicinaceae. This is the correct answer. If the leaflets are attached at the tip of the petiole, that leaf is called the palmately compound leaves. Highly degenerated gametophytic stage is seen in. Gametophytic stage is highly degenerated in angiosperms. In angiosperms, sporophytic phase is the dominant phase. In the grass family, cotyledons are called the scutellum. Which of these examples are of the Gramineae family? Among these, Ziamaes and Triticum vulgare, they are the example of family Graminaceae. Which of the following families is included in Rosales? Among these, family Fabaceae is included in Rosales. Basic unit of classification is, that is the species. Datura belongs to family Solanaceae. Match list 1 with list 2nd and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. In list 1, old names of families are given, and in list 2nd, new names are given. We have to match. New name of family Gramineae is Poaceae. Family Umbelliferae, new name is Apiaceae. Of family Palmae, new name is Ericaceae, and of family Labiatae, new name is Lamiaceae. So correct option is option B. The fruit of coconut is a drupe. Apicalyx is the important character of Malvaceae family but absent in. Apicalyx is present in most of the members of family Malvaceae and it is its important character, but it is absent in Abutilon, which is a genre of family Malvaceae. Bicarpellary syncarpous inferior ovary is found in family. This type of ovary is found in family Compositae or family Astraceae. Neotype is designated when all the original materials are lost. Persistent calyx is found in the fruits of family. The persistent calyx is found in fruits of family Solanaceae. Exile placentation is absent in. It is absent in family Compositae or family Asteraceae. In family Asteraceae or Compositae, the placentation is of basal type. In Malvaceae, Solanaceae and Liliaceae, placentation is exile. Bamboo is a grass. It belongs to family Poaceae. Consider the following families: Solanaceae, Cucurbitaceae, Euphorbiaceae, Cruciferae. The families where most of the members are unisexual would include. Among these, in family Cucurbitaceae and Euphorbiaceae, most of the members are unisexual. So correct answer is option 2 and 3. Linnaeus gave a system of nomenclature called, the Linnaeus system of nomenclature is called as the binomial system of nomenclature. Silicula fruit is found in, it is characteristic feature of family Brassicaceae, and it is found in all the genera of family Brassicaceae. So Raphanus and Satinus both belongs to family Brassicaceae, both are having the siliqua fruit. So here the correct answer is both B and D. Saprophytic angiosperm is, among these Monotrapa is a saprophytic angiosperm. Myrcene glands are found in which family? In family Brassicaceae, myrcene glands are present. Otilia elsmoides, Linnaeus, Pers. Synplanktrum, volume 1st, page number 400 in 1807. Stratiotes elsmoides, Linnaeus, species Plantarum, page number 535 in 1753. In this citation, Stratiotes elsmoides, Linnaeus is this is the basionym, as this name is published first in 1753 and this name is published in 1807. So this is the base of this newly published name. So it is its basionym. Basionym is the name upon which a new combination is based. Which one of the following statements about the 5 kingdom classification system is correct? Among these, all prokaryotes are grouped in a single kingdom. This is the correct statement, and all the prokaryotes were included in kingdom Prokaryote by Margulis and Schwartz in 1982. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. In list 1, name of families are given, and in list 2, the characteristic of the gynoecium is given. We have to match. Compositae, in family Compositae, gynoecium is bicarpellary, syncarpous and inferior types. In Leguminosae, gynoecium is monocarpellary and superior. In family Malvaceae, gynoecium is syncarpous, superior with exile placentation. In family Cruciferae, gynoecium is bicarpellary, syncarpous and of superior type. So option A is correct here. Potato, tomato, cabbage, cauliflower, radish, soybean and pea belongs to. Among these 7 species, potato and tomato belongs to family Solanaceae, cabbage, cauliflower and radish. These 3 belongs to family Brassicaceae. Soybean and pea, this belongs to family Fabaceae. All the 7 vegetables belongs to 3 different families, that is Solanaceae, Brassicaceae and Fabaceae. Morphospecies is a. Morphospecies is a floristic unit on which the identification of a species may depend. So this is the correct option. The 2 largest among the families of flowering plants in Indian flora would include. The 2 largest families include the family Gramineae and Leguminosae. That's all for today. If you found this video useful, then please like and share with your friends. Rest of the questions I will discuss in next video. Until next time, goodbye.